Hey there, future chicken keepers. Ever thought about raising your own laying hens? It's a fantastic way to get fresh eggs. And honestly, it's just plain fun. Let's dive into everything you need to know, from beginner basics to keeping those chickens clucking happily. First things first, why hens? Well, fresh eggs, obviously. But beyond that, chickens can be pretty entertaining. They've got their own little personalities, and watching them peck around is strangely relaxing. Plus, they're great for your garden, helping with pest control and providing natural fertilizer. Talk about a win-win. Alright, let's talk basics. You're going to need a coop. Think of it as their house, a safe space from predators like foxes and raccoons. It needs to be sturdy, well ventilated, and easy to clean. Size matters too. A good rule of thumb is about 4 square feet of space per chicken inside the co-op. And don't forget the run, an outdoor area where they can roam, scratch, and get some sunshine. Make sure this is secure. Hardware cloth is your friend here. Next up, the hens themselves. Where do you get them? You have options. You can buy chicks, which are adorable but need extra care. Or, you can get pullets, which are young hens ready to start laying soon. Local farms, hatcheries, and even online breeders are great places to find them. Do your research. Different breeds lay different colors and quantities of eggs. Some popular breeds for beginners include the Rhode Island Red, the Plymouth Rock, and the Orpington. They're generally friendly and productive. Now, what about feeding? Chickens need a balanced diet, just like us. You'll want a good quality layer feed, specifically formulated for laying hens. This will give them the nutrients they need for healthy eggs. Supplement their diet with treats. Kitchen scraps, like vegetables and fruit, are a hit. Just avoid anything moldy or anything that can be toxic to them. Water is super important. Always have fresh, clean water available. A good waterer helps prevent spills and keeps the water clean. Cleaning is a must. The co-op needs to be cleaned regularly to prevent diseases and keep it smelling fresh. Remove droppings, replace bedding, and give the co-op a good scrub down. The run will need attention too, especially if it gets muddy. Regular cleaning is key to happy, healthy hens. Also, be sure to keep an eye out for any signs of illness, like lethargy or changes in eating habits. Contact a vet if you have any concerns. Let's talk about excellent egg production. Hens usually start laying around 6 months old. They typically lay an egg a day or every other day, depending on the breed and season. Nest boxes are where they lay their eggs, so provide 1 box for every 3 to 4 hens. Collect the eggs regularly, and you'll be enjoying fresh eggs in no time. If you notice your chickens stop laying, there may be several causes: molting, changes in their environment, or even the time of year. Don't worry, it's pretty normal. They will usually start laying again when they are ready. Okay, let's wrap this up. Raising laying hens is a rewarding experience. It's a fun way to connect with nature, reduce food waste, and enjoy fresh, delicious eggs. With a little bit of planning and care, you can create a happy home for your hens and enjoy all the benefits. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start your chicken keeping adventure. Cluck cluck.